Are you using sunscreen but still noticing pigmentation, tanning, and uneven skin tone? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kolin, and today, in collaboration with Bioderma, let's quickly discuss some common mistakes people make when it comes to sunscreen and how to choose the right sunscreen for your skin type. So let's quickly understand how sun rays affect your skin. So sunlight has UVB rays which causes sunburn and UVA rays which goes deeper into your skin and causes pigmentation, tanning and early aging. So it's very important while choosing a sunscreen, you go for a broad spectrum protection with high SPF rating and high PA++ rating. Now coming to the mistakes that people make when it comes to sunscreen, the number one and the most common one is not using the enough quantity. See, an average adult requires about 2 finger length of sunscreen for face and neck. Using lesser quantity than this will not give you enough protection even if the label says SPF 50. Then second is missing the important areas like your ears, your neck, back of the neck if you have short hair, back of your hands and even eyelids. And the third one is not reapplying. If you are in outdoors, you need to reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Now how to choose the right sunscreen for your skin type? See, if you have oily or combination skin, it's better to go for a very lightweight fluid-like texture, something like Photoderm Aquafluide, which is very quickly absorbable and feels breathable on your skin. And on the other hand, if you have dry skin, go for Photoderm Crème. It nourishes your skin while giving you that protection. And for people who have oily and acne prone skin, they don't like that greasy shiny look, they can go for Photoderm AKN Mat, which absorbs excess oil and gives you a matte look. And especially for people who spend a lot of time in outdoor, it's very important that you use a sunscreen with high SPF. That's why they have Photoderm Max, which has SPF 100. And now I know many of you prefer using some makeup or need a light coverage on daily basis. For that we have tinted sunscreens which gives you that light coverage and also has zinc oxide for that extra protection. So the key is simple. Choose the right sunscreen for your skin type, apply enough quantity and use it consistently, because the right sunscreen is the one that suits your skin and the one that you use every single day.